What is up, everybody? I'm back at y'all with another video, and today we're gonna start a new series, man. Not a new series, but we're starting on the running backs. We just did the safeties, so we're on the running backs. I was gonna do defensive line, but I was like, nah, I gotta be entertaining since I didn't upload the other day. So we got the running backs. We got the running back today. We got my man Adrian Peterson. He's probably my favorite out of all three of them because I got to actually watch him play. So, yeah, man. Now, hold up. Before we start this video, I have to announce won who won the safeties, and I think it's Ed Reed. Ed Reed, I'm gonna have to give it to. Yeah, man, he's the winner of the safeties. Congratulations, Ed Reed. Okay, just running right past him. He's just running past everybody. Good run. I want to see some people get knocked down. He's running past everybody. Oh my gosh. And on the run return. Like he is on the carry, he's just running right past everybody. Oh, single game rushing record. He had 296. Oh yeah, he did. 296 yards. Who? Pro Bowl 2007. He just won't go down. If I was him, I wouldn't be playing the Pro Bowl. Nasty cut. So fast. Thought he was gonna do with Deshaun Jackson and throw it out. Chug. It's gonna be 15 minutes, yo. That's what I've been waiting for.
Hey, we can walk up to the store maybe in a little bit and get y'all a drink. I don't know. I don't think it's that far. Oh. Sorry.
Okay, y'all.
Don't be too loud, though.
I had to talk for a little while with my mom, so we're back on this though. I don't want to see anything too crazy, because I need my energy. Son go hard with these highlights. first game back from ACL. Dang. That's 2 rushing touchdowns. So they're going for the field goal overtime. They just passed Robert Smith for most rushing yards. This song go hard. So what year is this? 2016? It looks like. New Jersey's ugly. And he went to the Saints. Well, damn. What up, y'all? Oh, this was from a year ago. It's gonna be a lot of highlights here. First down. You can see him, he's regressing a little bit. Alright, so I just feel like that was enough to see what Adrian Peterson was about. So I'm just gonna end the video there, man. I think we're gonna do Barry Sanders next, and then save Bo Jackson for last. So yeah, man. Sorry for not uploading yesterday. I'm gonna make up for it. But my dad's asleep right now, so I have to be quiet. So I'll see y'all whenever he wakes up. Peace.